One of the most common questions professionals ask, can I bring my family to New Zealand? Eligibility for family visas depends on your own New Zealand visa. Family is only included if you qualify. For a spouse or partner, you'll need to provide evidence of your genuine relationship, like joint bills or shared housing. Dependent children must generally be under 24, unmarried, and financially reliant on you to qualify for inclusion. Main visa types that allow family dependents include skilled migrant, essential skills work, and some student visas. You must prove you can financially support your family, showing savings and income to meet New Zealand requirements. Some visas require you meet certain minimum income thresholds or show proof of ongoing employment in New Zealand. Don't forget about application and processing fees when budgeting for the visa process for your family. All family members may need to undergo health checks to meet New Zealand's health requirements for entry. Most work visa holders can access New Zealand's public healthcare system, but eligibility can depend on visa type. If you're not yet eligible for public healthcare, you'll need health insurance to cover your family's medical needs. Dependent children of visa holders can usually enroll in public schools, helping them settle quickly into local life. To enroll, you'll provide your child's documents and visa information directly to your chosen local school. Depending on your visa, some families pay domestic fees, while others may be charged international student rates. Family reunification is possible. Subscribe for updates on reunification pathways.